Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHKE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and this just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Last time I looked at this chart, I knew exactly what I was going to say, and then the afternoon occurred, well, late afternoon, I should say, the final hour, and now things are looking kind of sketchy. And I'm not going to say the chart's broken, but I'm also not going to say the chart's looking awesome, because right now it kind of all revolves around this pivot point, if you will, and that's right here at 45 cents. Why is 45 cents kind of a pivot point in terms of, well, what is the chart actually looking like? Well, let's kind of take two sides of the coin here. The first side, let's just say that the price actually continues downwards and separates to the downside of 45 cents. At that point in time, what would that be giving you? That would literally be showing you that the price is right back to where it all started before the big move. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength, and that would be a broken chart. The chart, sure, it made a great move, but all of a sudden the price is back to where it began. That is not a bullish chart. On the flip side of things, though, so let's look at the other side of the coin. Let's say that the price actually hovers around here and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture these as stair steps, well, hey, in this situation, the bulls are still actually making progress. And now I do realize that if you're a day trader and you bought up there and you wanted to sell within 10 minutes, then yeah, you couldn't care less about this stair step. So I'm definitely talking about the chart from more so a big picture type viewpoint. But that's why things are kind of, you could go either way. You know, is the chart still bullish? Well, I don't know. Let's see if the price can build that higher low and show progress, because that's what truly strong moves, that's what bullish moves are going to do. They're going to make progress forward, and that's what 45 cents is representing. So, you know, it would have been much easier had the price been up here still, and then it would have been a nice, you know, bull pull with some consolidation. But this whole downwards price movement now is putting the chart on kind of thin ice, if you will. So 45 cents is that thin ice point. If it can hold, then great. That puts in a higher base. If it doesn't, then that essentially is putting the price right back to where it started. And that's, you know, pretty much the definition of a broken chart. So next week, let's see how 45 cents and the price reacts around it. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.